Hello guys, welcome to my channel Netcast on Web Tech Zone. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can make the birthday video in Canva app. So let's start with the video. And at the end, if you like this video, hit the like button, subscribe my channel, and don't forget comments below. So let me start with the video. Okay guys, so here we are. This is my Canva. So first we need to go in this create options, and here we need to go in the video. Okay, so here you can see there is a lots of video canvas size like landscape video, mobile video, Instagram reel, for Instagram story, whatever you want you can just take. Okay, so I just take this Instagram reels. Okay, you can also take Instagram story also. Okay, so there is a different canvas size. This is a 1080 into 1920 pixel, and this is also same, or you can take anyone. Now we have the blank canvas with the video. Okay, and here for you can upload your photos from here. You just go to the upload and upload your own photos or your friend photo, whatever. So I just choose this one. After you upload, you can see your photo here. Okay, so I just choose this one. So I just okay, so this is my image. Okay, you can crop like this. You can crop from here, or you can crop from the manually like this, or you can resize this from this corner. Okay, just hold it and just resize your image. Okay, so now go to the elements and search for but go to the graphics first. Go to the elements and go to the graphics. Okay, and search for birthday wishes. Okay, so search for birthday wishes and you can see the all lots of birthday wishes icon. Okay, just choose anyone like this. Okay, so this is my background and this is my that elements. Okay, so this is my photo and this is my elements. And you can also search for templates, like go to the templates and search for birthday wishes. So here lots of templates with the same size. Okay, you choose anyone. I just choose this one. Okay, first delete your existing that birthday wishes. Now come to the choose your that templates. Now from here you can change one by one. You can change this photo. Okay, delete this photo one by one and upload your photo from here. Okay, and just drag your photo like this. Okay, you can manage the size. Here text, you can edit the text. Just double click on elements and edit the text, and you can also add text from here. Now there is a one option you can use. Go to the elements. Okay, and come to the graphics, and here magic recommendation you can see. Go to the see all and you can see the all magic recommendation icon and style. So you can choose and insert here. Okay, so it will be, if your mind more creative, you can make add the other elements like this. Okay, after that go to the download and go download as a mp4, and you can adjust the quality. So its quality depends, when you increase your quality the video size will be increased. Okay, now download your video. Your birthday wishes video will be downloaded as a mp4. Okay, so this is a video. Okay, you can choose that social media size option. So here the post. Okay, the same as you can search here in okay, we are in social media story reels. Okay, so reels so we have video only option, video format only in reels. Okay, if you go in Instagram post like this. Okay, so this is a normal canvas. Okay, so here also you can search for templates like birthday wishes, and here you can see the lots of birthday wishes templates. Okay, now you can change that elements one by one. Okay, just delete the photo and upload your photo and just drag here and adjust your size like this. Okay, okay, if you want to take this image back, go to the positions, go to the layers, and here the frame you need to keep it back. Okay, just okay, so drag down. Okay, so it will be, yeah, here the frame, so we have put into the frame like this. Okay, so, and now you can download this as a png, and also you can download as a mp4. Okay, so I hope you like this video. Please subscribe me. Thank you for watching.